Is this obvious, or is this counterintuitive, or have I got my maths wrong? Let's pretend we've got a spring. It's fastened here and here. So it's not like on a straight line, it's on an angle. And I pull this spring, I pull it. There's going to be, let's say this is our x coordinate and this is our y coordinate. There's going to be a piece of the force that's in the x direction and a piece of force in the y direction. So if I keep the x displacement the same and stretch the spring just in this direction, so y gets longer but x stays the same, is the force in the x direction the same, or does it increase as you stretch the spring up? The more you stretch a spring, the stronger it gets. The more you pull it, the stronger it gets. If I'm pulling it at an angle and it's getting stronger, then surely in both directions, even if it doesn't move anymore in one direction, it's going to get stronger. So the force is increased. So we know the component in the x direction of the force x, is F. That's the force there, cos theta. And we know that cos theta is the hypotenuse adjacent. It is the adjacent, which is A here, over the hypotenuse, L. So we can write that the force X is equal to the force is proportional to the length. We'll just say it's exactly proportional. So the force X is the force times by the X displacement divided by the length. But we just worked out, because X is the adjacent and L is the hypotenuse. So therefore, the force X is the length divided by the length times X. So if you don't change the X displacement, although you're making this spring longer and up there towards Y, this force is still proportional to the X displacement. Bite me if I'm wrong, but I think it's right. It in some ways seems right, and in other ways seems completely counterintuitive. Hit me up in the comments if you understand, or if I've got it wrong. Thanks. Bye.